Hey there and welcome. If you've ever wanted to stay instantly updated when changes happen in your Google Sheet, whether it's new responses pouring in from a form or edits made by collaborators, then email notifications are your new best friend. Today I'll walk you step by step through setting up email notifications in Google Sheets so you never miss a beat. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to get those updates automatically sent to your inbox just the way you want them. Alright, let's dive right in. Start by opening up the Google Sheet you want to monitor. Glance up at the top menu bar for something called Tools. Go ahead and click on that. You'll notice several options pop up, but what we're looking for is notification settings. Sometimes it's labeled slightly differently depending on your version, but it's usually right there in the list. Click on it and then click Edit Notifications. This is the control center for all your email notifications. Now you're setting up what are called notification rules. Think of a notification rule like an alarm system for your spreadsheet. It watches out for the specific changes you care about and gives you a friendly nudge in your email whenever something happens. Next up, you'll see options to specify what kinds of notifications you want. There are two main triggers you can choose from that are often the most important: notify me when any changes are made, and notify me when a user submits a form. Let me break down what each one does. The first option, any changes are made, will send you an email whenever someone updates, edits, or deletes something in the sheet. Super handy if you're running a shared budget, class roster, or any project where collaboration is key. The second option, a user submits a form, is a lifesaver if you're collecting survey responses, quiz answers, or event registrations through Google Forms tied to your sheet. You'll know as soon as someone fills it out. Now you also get to decide how you want to be notified. There are a couple of options here. You can choose Email Daily Digest, which will group all the day's changes into one summary email. This is perfect if you want a quick overview and don't need to respond to every single update immediately. Or if you like to stay on top of things as they happen, select Email right away. Every time there's a change or a new form submission, you'll get an email within minutes. Think about how often you want to check your email. If constant notifications sound overwhelming, the Daily Digest is your friend. If you need to know ASAP, go with immediate alerts. Once you've made your selections, simply click Save. That locks in your notification rule for your chosen email address. In my example today, that's demotestraining@gmail.com, but yours will show up here automatically if you're signed in. At this point, if you want to add another rule, maybe you want different notifications for different types of changes, just repeat the process. There's no limit, so feel free to customize. After you've set up all the rules you need, all that's left is to click Done. And you're set. From now on, Google Sheets will work quietly behind the scenes to keep you up to date, so you never have to manually refresh or wonder if something changed. And that's all there is to it. I hope this helps you stay organized and on top of your projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any hiccups. I love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple, powerful tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.